Hello, welcome back to Glorious and Brasia Kitchen. Adishima, Mimobi Biara Akwaba. Yay, let's go to Glamour Qatar, where they have dresses. Dresses. Beautiful gowns for all occasions. Wedding, dinner wears. They have prom dresses, party, name it. I'm telling you, look at that. So beautiful. And the prices are so affordable. So if you need a dress, just pass by there and you get any color, any size that you're looking for. Their customer service is A1. Okay? So this is just small part for you guys from Glorious Brasia Kitchen. You see where you can stand and then try on your dresses. Nice place. They have chains, necklace. They have shoes and bags to match. Look at that. So beautiful. Okay, so this is from me to you. Glamour Qatar. Check it out. You. Aha, wawo entade a uchese uko wedding. Uko parties. Uye prom. Mofreye we school yi. Nya uhwehwe bia ubenya bags, shoes, chains, ni nyina wo ho. Ntin ubetumi a pass by and then we're checking it out. Colors. Oh, ntade na yefe. Ntino, mamadin ya. Yes. Yay, she got her dress. Aww.